There's a bird here. You can see its tail. Can I zoom in anymore? No. Manual zoom in. You can barely see it. It's right. Okay. There. But is he vibing though? Oh crap. To vibe or not to vibe? That is the question. Tomorrow, expect a video. Oh crap. Tomorrow, expect a video where I give an update on the Bidoof challenge. It will not be ready by tomorrow. Great. So, you guys really liked it last time I did nature footage of birds. I got like 3 likes. I'm sorry if I was shaky cases. Oh. Will my channel become just nature footage? Potentially. When there, can you even see it? I don't think you can see it. The shadows are too extreme. If you can see it, let me know, but I don't see shit. It's around there somewhere. I can barely see it through the viewfinder. Yeah, I think it's enough birds.